Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the Leetcode question number 205 Isomorphic Strings. The question is, given two strings S and T, determine if they are isomorphic. Two strings S and T are isomorphic if the characters in S can be replaced to get T. All occurrence of character must be replaced with another character while preserving the order of characters. No two characters may map to the same character, but a character may map to itself. We are given three examples here. In the first example, S is equal to egg and T is equal to add. Here, E can be replaced with A and G can be replaced with D. So, the string S and T are isomorphic. Hence, we are returning the output true. In the next example, S is equal to FOO and T is equal to BAR. Here, F can be replaced with B and we are replacing O with A. And we are again replacing O with R. So in this case, S and T are not isomorphic. Hence we are returning the output as false. In the next example, S is equal to paper and T is equal to title. Here P can be replaced with T, A can be replaced with I, E can be replaced with L and R can be replaced with E. So in this case, S and T are isomorphic. Hence, we are returning the output as true. I hope the question is clear. Now let's see how we can solve this problem. We are going to solve this problem using two different solutions. Let's implement the first solution. Assume that our string S is EGG and our string T is ADD. First, we will find the SIP of S and T and convert that to a set. The SIP function pairs each element of S to T. So E will be paired with A and G will be paired with D and again G will be paired with D. Since we are converting that to a set, we will have E and A and G and D. Next, we will find the set of S and we will find the set of T. The first function returns the output E, A and G, D. The second function returns the output G and E. The third function returns the output A and D. If the length of all three functions are same, then S and T are isomorphic. In this case, the first function has two elements, the second function has two elements, and the third function also has two elements. So the length of all three functions are same, hence we are returning the output as true. Let's implement the first approach. We will return the length of set of SIP of S, T equals to length of set of S equals to length of set of T. We are finding the length of all three functions and comparing if all the length are same. If all the length are same, we will return the boolean as true. If the length are different, we will return the boolean as false. Let's submit it. The solution got accepted. Let's see the second solution. In this solution also, we are going to take the same example, S equals EGG and T equals ADD. First, we will declare two empty lists. In the first list, we will append the index position of S, and in the second list, we will append the index position of T. For this example, we will get the values as 0, 1 and 1. Index position of E will be assigned to 0 and G will be assigned to 1. We again have another G, so we will again get 1. Similarly, for the second list, we are assigning the index position of A as 0 and the index position of D as 1. We have another D, so we are again populating 1. If both the lists are same, we are returning the output as true. Let's take another example. In this case, S is equal to FOO and T is equal to BAR. So the list 1 will have values 0, 1 and 1, and the list 2 will have value 0, 1 and 2, because in T we have 3 different characters. So both the lists are not same, hence we are returning the output as false. I hope the approach is clear. Now let's see the implementation. Let's implement the second approach. First let's declare two lists, list 1 and list 2. List 1 equal to empty list. List 2 equals to an empty list. Now let's iterate over the S and append the index position to list 1. For I in S, list 1 dot append of S dot index of I. Similarly, let's iterate over T and append the index position of T to list 2. For I in T, list 2 dot append T dot index of I. If both the lists are same, we will return true. If not, we will return false. If list 1 equals to list 2, return true. Else, return false. That's pretty much it. Now let's submit. The solution got accepted. I hope you like this video and I'm sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe and I will see you in yet another interesting Leetcode interview question. Thank you.